The free text is a student's natural form of expression, exploring their interests and stimulating their creative abilities. Students are encouraged to write freely without parameters. The collective aspect helps students to learn reasoning skills, make decisions, and change their critical spirit, defend their own opinions, and accept suggestions and critics. Thus, they motivate each other and learn together as equals. The objectives achieved are socio-affective and cognitive. The youngest students, through the work meeting, begin to express themselves freely and spontaneously based on a common object presented in class. This object serves as a catalyst for establishing a dialogue among the students. Ideas are elicited and written down by the teacher, and together they find common threads. Communicative expression is based on a written idea, the free text. The chosen text is read collectively and analyzed, helping students to acquire linguistic tools and improve the accuracy of their written expression. Thirdly, the whole group practices together. The author of the text composes it in the printing press, and copies are made so that the other students can create related compositions and drawings. Free text can also spark curiosity in a prominent work on other topics that interest them. The level of complexity increases until students reach the age of 13, when each child begins to run his or her own literary creation, a long-term project. The final product is edited and presented in a bookstore. These works of literature remain in the bibliographic collection of the school.